Hello everyone, this is Akshat and welcome back to TechScope India. So today I am here to tell you all about Forage. You might know about Forage website. It is usually used by many of the students out there to mainly do the job simulations provided by the big tech companies. So I'll tell you everything how to do that stuff and how to get your job simulation certification completed. So firstly, let's dive into the Chrome browser and search for Forage. So this is the link of the website. The first link which says Forage free virtual job simulation and career preps. So I'll just open that website, and you can see many of the things over here, like explore job blog and everything like that. So first let's sign in and get our things set up, and then we'll look forward for jobs and everything like that. So for sign in you just need to click sign in, and if you are a new user like many do, so just click over here and create your account. Clicking on sign up, you can get an option for continuing with the Google, where you can sign up with your Google accounts, and you can also create an account over here. So after all these things, you land onto website like this. So this is the main website of Forage. Don't mind, Forage website takes time to load everything, and after signing you'll you need to give some time to website to accumulate all the things and get you onto this web page. So here you can see there are total 190 opportunities listed by all of the companies. You can check the companies over here. So it's like AO and Accenture and many other companies like AWS and British Airways. Many of the companies list their job simulations over here. So firstly, we can also select like which type of things we are looking for. So like we are looking for a job, and let's ignore the country as well and the company as well, and let's search for something like internship kind of thing. Okay, so these are the internships, and here we can see vacancies for many of the companies. Like you can also check, this is a company named Goldman Sachs, and they are hiring for risk new analyst, and you can directly apply from here also. Okay, so these companies also give, what do we say, job simulations. Okay, so now I'll go on explore page like this, and I'll search for job simulations. Okay, this was the first thing about jobs, like how can we apply for job or internship from this website. Now I am over here on explore page. How I came here? Explore job simulations. So explore Forage job simulations, है So here are many of the companies listed, like you can see over here, same as AO, Accenture, and you can also see Tata is also listed, AWS is also listed, है So we can go with any kind of internship that we want. So likewise I'll select the Tata's internship, which is Gen AI powered data, and give it some time. As I said, it takes time to load. Yeah, so things are pretty much loaded over here. So as you can see, it is Gen AI powered data analytics job simulation, and here are all the details about that. Self-placed 3 to 4 hours. Self-placed means that you can apply for it and you can do it for free. Okay, so no grades will be allotted, no assessments will be there. Intermediate, this is an intermediate course. It is a kind of course where you need to complete all these things and get yourself started. So if I click on the start free program, so I'll get some of the tasks which I need to complete. So you can check over here, this is the intro and scenario. So our role will be, you are an AI transformation consult at Tata IQ, and our goal is also listed over here. Your primary objective is to analyze customer data and predict the risk using AI driven techniques, है ना. So these are our goals and our role for this thing. So we'll get 2 to 3 tasks for every job simulations. We get 2 or 3 tasks. Okay, so these are the tasks. They also tell us how to do these things in the first task as well, and rest two or one task we need to complete it on our own. Mostly the third task is about we need to prepare a summary report for head of collections. Okay, so this is all like if we have made some of the things like in company itself, we generate or we get onto some project like that, है ना? So we need to submit the report to the head of the collections or head of the team or our team lead, something like that. Okay, so this will also prepare us how we can prepare our 2-page summary report for all these things. Okay, so after completing all these things, we can all how do we start? Just click on the start button and our job simulation will start automatically. Okay, so I'll head on to the first task, complete all these tasks. Second task completed. Third task, you'll get head-to-head guidance by the company itself, how to do these things, how to download these things, and they'll give you the data, they'll give you everything. They'll ask you either use R programming language or Python programming language for this specific data analyst I'm talking about, data analyst role I'm talking about. Okay, after completion of all these things, like I have completed some of the job simulations, so you will get your certifications as well. So this will be your dashboard for all these things. Like I have completed my job simulation in Quantium, as well as I have completed in Deloitte as well. So as you can see, both of these are listed as completed. Okay, so after completing all these things, you'll get your certificates, you'll get your interview tips, and you'll also get the resume snippets. What do we mean by resume snippets? This is a lengthy what do we say things which we can add on to our resume itself, and this can be showcased to other companies as well. Okay, certificates, this can also be added to our resume itself. Mind it, these things are to be added as our achievements, not as our job or our internship programs. Like we can list it as achievements in our resume, not as our what do we say companies I have pursued in or companies I have worked with, like all that things. We cannot list it like that. We need to list it as our achievements. That is all from my side. This is Akshat Srivastav. You were watching TechScope India. Signing off.